Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia 3 and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and here you'll see the sounds section. Right here you can see the ring and notification volume, and just to turn off this function swipe with your finger to the left side. Also we got the second way how you can do that, just by pressing on your volume button. And here go to the settings, and here you can just by the same way swipe with your finger to the left side. You will just disable the ringtone volume. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.